How to allow your gender on timeline on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow your gender on timeline on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down and click settings and privacy, and after you click it you will find this one, settings, and here go down until you find the profile information. Click on it and go down and you will find here basic info, and then click edit. And now all you need to do, just click this one here and click allow on timeline, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.